I made these really cute strawberry hair clips and I just wanted to show you how to put them on. So they're really simple to wear and to make, so I thought they were like the perfect project for beginners, or you know, if you need to make someone a gift or something. I thought they were awesome. So hopefully you enjoy the video and thank you for watching. Hi everyone, so for this project we're going to need 3 colors of yarn. I'm using pink, green, and white. And as you can tell, you don't need a lot, although I'm playing yarn chicken with this one. You're going to need a 3.5mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, yarn needle is kind of optional, but definitely more helpful. And I believe this is around like 5 centimeters or 2 inches. It's just a little hair clip. And then some felt, which you're going to use as a backing. This might be optional, but I think it does help to make it a little sturdier, but up to you. Let's start with the strawberry. We're going to do a magic ring. And we're going to put in a chain 1 and then 5 single crochets. That's 5. Now we're going to pull this to tighten. And for row 2, we'll put an increase in every stitch for a total of 10 stitches. So I'm going to go into the first stitch, pull through, chain 1. So each stitch is going to get 2 single crochets, and that's an increase. You're just going to go all the way around, with these increases. Alright, so now let's start row 3. For row 3 now we're going to start building like the kind of shape of the strawberry. So we're going to do chain 1, and then 1 single crochet. And the next stitch we're going to put 2 half double crochets. In the next stitch, 2 half double crochets. In the next 2 stitches, we're going to just do 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we're going to do 3 double crochets. And now we're just going to kind of do the reverse, so we'll put 2 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. The next stitch will have 2 half double crochets. And the next stitch will have 2 half double crochets. And we can go ahead and end it. And I did have some yarn left over, which is cool. But yeah, that's the body of the strawberry. Now we'll go ahead and end it. Like so. For the stem, grab your green yarn and make a chain of 3. And then go into that second chain with a single crochet. Then go into the first chain with a single crochet. Go ahead and chain 3 again. And we're going to do the same thing. So a single crochet, then a single crochet. So this is like the top stem. This is the one on the right, or left, sorry. Then we'll have one in the middle, then one on this side. So we're going to do the middle one now. So we're gonna go into like the middle of this stem with a slip stitch. Then we're gonna chain 3. Do the same thing we've been doing. Do a slip stitch into there one more time so we can make the very last little leaf. And that is it. I like to just do a slip stitch one more time so that it's not like flying randomly all over the place. And do leave this tail a bit long because we're going to use it to sew the stem onto the strawberry. Now I'm just going to sew this on. It's more of an art than a science. I'm not going to tell you exactly how to do it. Just make sure it's secure. I'm not going to lie, I have no clue what I'm doing when I'm sewing. I just, just do whatever feels right. As long as it stays on, then, it's perfect. So just go ahead and sew this on. And then when you're done, we're going to go ahead and sew on 3 seeds. So I've finished putting the stem on. For the seeds, I just kind of throw it in anywhere. I think I'm kind of working primarily in this gap. And I like to make the seeds look a little thicker, so I go around twice. So that's once. And then I'll go through another time to make it look a little nice. So I just do one on the side, one down here, and then one back up here. But again, you can do kind of whatever you want. So now we're going to take our berry and we're just going to glue it on the felt. I'm just going to do like a little dab there just to kind of keep it in place, and then we're going to cut out a little square. So I'm just going to do a little dab. Nice. And stick it on. You can get a little closer to the edge just because we want to really cut off the excess so that none of it is showing. Okay. Now I'm just going to kind of cut out a little rectangle. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue down the rest of the berry. And try to be a little careful. Do it closer to the inside. There. And when you're done doing this, you can go ahead and cut off the excess. But I'm going to finish this up. Glued on, and to cut, I'm just going to be very careful, kind of cutting at a diagonal. And you can kind of clean up as you go, but just be a little careful not to cut the yarn. Now, very last step, this is super important. I almost didn't do this until my mom told me to, but put this clip on your head the way you want it to be, and then kind of compare the berry to how you want to place it. Originally, I thought I wanted to place it like this, but then I tried it and I realized I didn't like that. So for me, what works best is for the stem to be at the thinner part. So I'm just going to do that again because I think it looks really cute, but you can try and see what you like. And the way I do this, I unclip it, and then I put glue around there, and then I just stick this on. And it's a little stressful. I was really freaking out, but it's okay. And if any part comes unstuck, you can always re-glue it, so no worries. And it does make the metal really, really hot. So it's also pretty painful, but it's cute, so it's gotta be worth it. Okay. Yeah, be prepared for how hot the metal gets. It's pretty warm. Okay. And once it's all set, you can wait a bit for it to cool a little more, double check to make sure it's all secure, but then you are done. And you can look really cute with these amazing little hair clips.